So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to solve this amazing question, right? What is the question? X raised to 10 equal to 25 raised to x, and obviously we have to find the value of x, right? Normally we will solve this question by one method, but in this video I am gonna solve this question by two methods. Why? You will see the reason behind the later in this video, right? But main thing is you must see the both the solution, right? Because both the solutions are very important and very conceptual. So first of all, if I talk about first method, right? If I talk about first method through which we are going to solve this question, which is very easy, x raised to 10 equal to 25 raised to x, and most of you will know the first method. How do we solve this question? So here I have x raised to 10 and 25 raised to x, right? So first of all, if I multiply both the sides in the power by 1 by x, right? 25 by raised to x raised to 1 by x. So now what will happen? Right, 10 into 1 by x, it will become x to 10 by x, and here I will get only 25 because x and x will get cancelled out, right? So now what we are going to do in the next step? In the next step I am going to multiply both the side by 1 by 10 power, right? In power 1 by 10. So now what will happen? 10 and 10 will get cancelled out, so only remain will be x raised to 1 by x, and here I can say I can write 25 as 5 square raised to 1 by 10, right? So again 2 into 1 by 10, it will be equal to 1 by 5. So x raised to 1 by x equal to 5 raised to 1 by 5. So I can easily say x equal to 5 is our answer. This is first method, right? But what is the problem with this method? For example, here I have x raised to 10 equal to 25 raised to x. Now instead of this, if I have a question like x square equal to 4, right? And I am going to solve this question by this method, then I can easily say x square equal to 2 square. So x equal to 2 is our answer. But this is wrong because this is not the only answer, right? I will also get x equal to minus 2, because if I put minus 2, then minus 2 square will be equal to 4, right? So in some question, this method is not useful. Why? Because the answer is not complete. We will not get only this answer, we will also get this answer. But how do we know that we will only get one answer or two answer, right? So for that purpose I will use another method in which we are going to use Lombard's W function, right? And this is kind of new method, so pay attention throughout the second method, right? So now if I rewrite the question, x raised to 10 equal to 25 raised to x, right? So now if I multiply both the side by 25 raised to minus x, then what will happen? X raised to 10 as it is into 25 raised to minus x equal to 25 raised to x into 25 raised to minus x, right? So again this will become 1, right? So x raised to 10 into 25 raised to minus x equal to 1. Now what we will do? I will multiply by 1 by 10 both the side in the power, right? So with the help of this 10 and this 10 will get cancelled out, so only x, and here I will remain with 25 equal to 25 raised to minus x by 10, which will be equal to 1. Why? Because 1 raised to 1 by 10 is always going to be equal to 1, right? So now what we will do? I will multiply by 10. Why? Because I want this whole equation in the term of t into e raised to t. Why? Because if I apply t in one Lombard W function across t into e raised to t, then I will get t as our answer, which will make this equation very easy to solve, right? So we are going to use this equation. So t into e raised to t, which means coefficient and power of exponent must be same, right? So here power is minus x by 10. So if I want to take down here minus x by 10, then I will to multiply by both the side minus 1 by 10. So a minus x by 10 into 25 raised to minus x by 10 equal to minus 1 by 10, right? Because I multiply both the side by minus 1 by 10, right? So now here I have exponents and here I have 25. So I have to convert this whole part into exponents, right? In order to get this equation. So minus x by 10 into e raised to minus x by 10 into ln 25, because I can write, for example, if I have a, then I can write it as e raised to ln a. Both are same. So I have written 25 as e raised to ln 25, then minus 1 by 10. But again, here I have power minus x by 10 into ln 25, and here I have minus x by 10. So I need ln 25 here also, right, in order to make this equation. So again I will multiply both the side by ln 25, right? So minus ln 25 divided by 10. Agree? Again I will apply Lombard W function, right? So what will get I will get minus x by 10 into ln 25, which will be equal to Lombard of minus ln 25 by 10. Now what is the minus ln 25 by 10 means? If I want to convert this minus ln 25 by 10 into this equation, then I can only apply Lombard's W function, right? So how will I do that? See, minus ln 25 by 10, I can write it as minus 2 ln 5 by 10, right? Because 25 equal to 5 square and 2 will come here. So again it will be equal to minus ln 5 by 5, right? So now pay attention, minus 1, I can also write this as minus 1 by 5 into ln 5, right? Now if I take this minus sign here, right, then I can also write this as 1 by 5 into ln 1 by 5. Agree? And again here I have 1 by 5, so I can also write this as e raised to ln 1 by 5 into ln 1 by 5. So again coefficient and power of exponents are both same, t into e raised to t, so e raised to t into t. So again answer I will get ln 1 by 5. Agree? So now what will our final answer if I write here, right, due to some space problem. So here I have x, which will be equal to, I can also write ln 1 by 5 as ln 5 raised to minus 1. Agree? Divide by ln 25, right, into 10. Agree? So if I take minus sign here and also this is minus x, right? If I take minus sign here, then it will be minus ln 5. I can also write ln 25 as 2 ln 5 into 10. So minus and this minus will get cancelled out, right? 2 into 5 and ln 500 cancelled out. So x equal to 5. So from this method also I will get x equal to 5. This is our only answer, right? I hope you got it. As I said, this is very conceptual and very interesting method to solve. And if you have any query, any problem in understanding this video, then you can obviously comment me in the comment box. And thank you so much for watching this video.